Hello, my lovely Capris. This is Shiv Vidya. I have brought a love relationship reading for the month of April to you. I'm doing this from my hometown, so please bear with me. Okay, so let's begin with what happened with you in the past. The first forecast this shows that whatever happened in with you in the past. This shows that your partner there was some you know. Breakup between you and your partner, but in the past your partner came to you and wanted to talk to you, and you both conversed also, but but the situation was like you didn't go along with it, like you just clearly declined his offer. In fact, it was a clear cut destructive approach from your side. You were really angry from him, and you just destroyed this relationship, and now I'm seeing that you are healing from it. Okay, now currently what the cards that I have pulled, what you feel about your partner. This shows that you feel that this person, the love that you actually poured out in him, the trust that you had in him, he broke it. He was just there for fun, and he was not actually emotionally involved the way you were involved, and it was a major breakup from you. You were really heartbroken from this because it was a wish come true for you, but it because of his approach, the relationship was destroyed and you gave up to it, and you got to know about something that he was hiding. So situation just turned upside down. The beautiful relationship were thrashed, destroyed due to this person's like hidden agendas, I can say, and that's why you gave up upon him. Now let's see what this person feels about you. He feels that you are making a very wrong choice, very like immature decision by rejecting him. You are not listening, you're just quarreling with him, and you are like making a major change in the relationship that is not serving both of you, so he is blaming you for that. But he also says that I feel I have been, why are you doing this to me, and I have you, why are you leaving me, that this was not my fault. What he is saying through this cards, I have come to you in the past, and I am coming towards you in the future also. Please listen to me. These cards are saying that your person really wants justice, and he is also, he tried very much, but he has become hopeless in this relationship, but he feels that justice will be served. Somehow he feels that he is right, you are not understanding him. This could be a victim kind of mentality also. He is like victimizing himself, and he is blaming you that you are not understanding him. Okay, now because of the justice card, I searched you what actually your person did in the past with you. So the three cards that came was the moon, the ace of cups reverse, and knight of pentacles reverse. This shows that he hid things from you. He had a third person. He might be committed to someone else, he might be married to someone else, and you yourself came to know about it because this person was hiding the truth from you, and he didn't want you to see. And you just searched about it, and you got the this information that he is involved somewhere else, and because of this your relationship was stagnated. He was not giving time to you, so later on you came to know about this. And after that, I have pulled these four cards, what he is going to do in future with you. So the lovers is here. He is definitely coming back to you, and he is manifesting this relationship. He is like with you not talking to him, he is burdensome with this, but he is immensely in love with you. So like he's coming, and he's not like not leaving, even though he must be committed somewhere else. I don't know what really happened, but he's not letting you go. This is like a true love kind of situations here. Okay, advice card I have pulled out. First, before advice, let me tell you the future of this relationship. For the future, Ace of Pentacles is here and the Fool is here. So for most of you, I am saying that you are going to, like, he is going to really offer you a commitment in future and is really sweeping you off your feet, and this relationship will blossom in future. That's what I am seeing over here. Now the advice card. The advice card are these cards. Three of Swords reversed is the bottom of the deck. You are recovering from a heartache. Hermit reversed, this is Virgo energy. Then Ace of Wands and the Devil. Devil is Capricorn energy. So here I am sensing that you can go with the offer. You first need to open your eyes, see who is the actual culprit. You know, I am sensing that you are not listening to anything, you are not seeing anything, because your trust was broken. Here you see the Nine of Cups is reversed and the Tower is here, so it was like a major shock to you also. The Two of Cups is reversed. You were in love with this person, and you thought that he is just playing with you and doing nothing, is not loving you. But the cards are saying that listen, open your eyes, search for the truth. What is the actual truth? And know where the problem lies, because the devil could be someone else. Ace of Wands is here, so advice is that new beginning is there for you. So this was your reading, my dear Caprice. Please let me know how you resonate with it. Thank you. Shrividya signing off.